What if the simple slice of bread on your plate right now is secretly harming your kidneys, or it could be the key to helping them heal? I hear this all the time. People struggling with kidney health are terrified of making the wrong food choice, especially with something as common as bread. And here's the reality: most people pick the wrong kind. They unknowingly choose options loaded with hidden minerals that strain their kidneys, while missing out on the varieties that can ease digestion and help your body naturally cleanse itself. Today we're clearing up the confusion for good. You'll discover the top 5 types of bread that can support your kidney function, explained in plain language anyone can follow. And its effect on your kidneys will genuinely surprise you. First, 100% whole grain bread. For kidney wellness, switching to genuine whole grain bread is one of the smartest moves you can make. The magic ingredient here is fiber. A high-fiber diet is a game-changer because it helps your digestive system move waste out more efficiently. This means your kidneys aren't forced to filter as much, giving them a much-needed break. True whole grain bread will have whole wheat, oats, rye, or barley listed first. These grains retain their bran and germ, packing in nutrients and fiber. Major health bodies confirm that increased fiber intake is linked to improved toxin management and gut health, which directly benefits your kidneys. It also helps stabilize blood sugar, a critical factor in protecting kidney tissue from damage. A quick note: whole wheat and whole grain are close cousins. Whole wheat is specific to wheat, while whole grain can be a blend. Both are excellent if they say 100%. Your mission at the store? Ignore the marketing on the front. Turn the package over. If the first ingredient isn't 100% whole grain wheat flour, or if you see enriched flour, put it back. Look for trustworthy brands known for clean ingredients like Ezekiel 4-9, Dave's Killer Bread, or Simple Truth Organic. But, and this is vital, even the best bread requires portion control. Overloading on any food stresses your system. For most, 1 to 2 slices daily is a safe target. If gluten causes you bloating or stomach pain, that digestive distress creates more internal waste. The solution isn't to abandon bread but to choose a gluten-free option wisely. Many are made from easily digested grains like brown rice, quinoa, or buckwheat. Better digestion means less toxin buildup, easing your kidneys' workload. However, here's the catch you must watch for. To make these breads palatable, some brands pump in extra sodium, phosphorus, or potassium. For sensitive kidneys, these additives are problematic. You must become a label detective. Seek out brands with the shortest ingredient lists and the lowest sodium numbers you can find. Some commonly recommended options include Canyon Bakehouse, Uddy's Whole Grain, or Simple Truth Gluten-Free. The same portion rule applies. 1 to 2 slices per day is a sensible limit. If you want a bread that's exceptionally gentle and nutrient-rich, sprouted grain is a powerhouse choice. This bread is made from whole grains that have been soaked and allowed to sprout. This process breaks down some of the hard-to-digest compounds, making the bread easier on your gut and, by extension, your kidneys. The sprouting action increases available fiber, protein, and antioxidants. The fiber, again, aids toxin removal, while antioxidants help combat inflammation that can damage kidney cells. Research shows sprouting reduces anti-nutrients, allowing your body to better absorb minerals like iron, a common concern for kidney patients. A slice of sprouted bread, like Ezekiel, offers a solid protein and fiber punch in just around 90 calories. Moderation remains key. 1 slice per meal, up to 2 slices a day, is a great range. Combine it with low-potassium vegetables for a truly kidney-supportive meal. Before we continue, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a second to subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle. And tell me in the comments what S1 food you've been unsure about for your kidney health. Your question could help others watching. Let's build this supportive community together. Now, back to our list. Your daily bread choice is a silent vote for your kidney health. 4th, sourdough bread. Traditional sourdough is unique. It's crafted through slow fermentation using wild yeast and bacteria. This natural process pre-digests some of the gluten and complex carbs, making it far easier for many people to process. A happier gut leads to fewer toxins entering your blood, which is a direct win for your kidneys. Interestingly, for those managing kidney disease, a classic white sourdough can sometimes be a wiser pick than a whole grain one. Why? It tends to be naturally lower in phosphorus and potassium, minerals that compromised kidneys struggle to filter. One slice provides energy and even some iron, which supports healthy blood. But beware, store-bought sourdough can be imposters. Check the label. Real sourdough should have just a few ingredients: flour, water, salt, starter. Avoid any with phosphate additives. Seek out authentic bakery-style sourdough. Keep portions to 1 to 2 slices daily, and top it with something like mashed avocado instead of salted butter. 5th, white bread. This one might shock you. For decades, white bread was the standard recommendation for kidney patients because it is naturally lower in phosphorus and potassium. The thinking was straightforward: fewer minerals, less kidney strain, but modern nutrition science has shifted. While white bread can still fit into a renal diet, especially if it's what you enjoy, it comes with a downside: it lacks the fiber and nutrients of its whole grain cousins. It doesn't actively help your body cleanse. Select a brand with no added phosphates and the lowest sodium count possible. Pair it thoughtfully with nutrient-dense, low-sodium foods. Don't just eat less of the bad, choose more of the good. So what's the final takeaway? You have power and choice. From fiber-rich whole grains to gentle sprouted options, the right bread can be part of your healing journey. It's about reading labels, controlling portions, and pairing wisely. This isn't about fear. It is about making informed choices that support your body's natural ability to recover. If this video helped clarify things for you, please show your support by giving it a like. It truly helps our channel, Healthy Lifestyle, reach more people who need clear guidance. Subscribe for more honest health insights every week. Share your thoughts and experiences below. I read every comment. Thank you for watching, and take good care.